Okay, kind of strange times. We're in the middle of this national crisis. Everyone is isolating. I myself am actually doing this interview on my cell phone, but we want to put out as much content as we can on DoD TV. So here's a hunt from Nebraska. It's a turkey hunt with Cody. Cody is one of those guys, when he gets a little free time, which he finally has it, he's gonna go turkey hunting. He gets into a fairly stubborn gobbler. It takes him a little while to get him in, but he finally coaxes him in and puts the rage through the turkey cage. So let's enjoy this one with Cody, but everybody, please stay safe out there. And big shout out to everybody on the front line, taking care of everyone that's sick. Our heart goes out to you, and we love everybody. Just hope that everybody stays safe.
This segment of DoD TV is brought to you by Muddy Outdoors. Your muddy moment starts at GoMuddy.com.
Well, it's getting about that time to rock and roll. We got a great situation here. We are between two roosts out on the edge of an alfalfa field. And the homeowner, the landowner, yesterday texted me that at 7 o'clock, a little after 7 o'clock, there were strutters by this blind. It's music to my ears. The birds are gobbling all over the place. The best part, there is a roost to the east of me, and usually those birds pitch down in the trees and they'll walk out here. So I got the avian X 3/4 strut decoy with the head about 10 yards away. Got the tacticans up, and hopefully this all pans out. But this is the first day, high pressure, clear skies, no wind, so I got a feeling these birds are gonna be fired up. All right, I got a very timid longbeard, just entered the field here. I've been working him for a while. He's finally out in alfalfa down here, and he's kind of working away, but yet still kind of working towards me. He's just pecking in the alfalfa right now. Hopefully he gets aggressive enough to come in. We'll see. Yes. Yes. Oh. That took forever. Like an hour work. And thank goodness this solo hen picked him up. I worked him back and I called the best I could and got that hen coming in. He comes into that 3/4 strut jake and I just drilled him. Man, that was fun. Oh man, that was fun.
Well, finally got it done here in Nebraska. It's been a stressful, long season, and what an exciting hunt it was. It was a long, stressful hunt. The birds were gobbling off the roost, but however, they did not work out to this alfalfa like they normally do. This lone tom came in about 80 yards, skirted me out in the trees that I kept calling. He kept seeing the AVNX 3/4 strut jake. This bird was a stubborn bird, but he finally worked his way in thanks to a live hen right to the AVNX 3/4 strut jake. And perfect shot. He went flopping about 10 yards, done deal. First tag punch in Nebraska, and it just feels good to get one under the belt.
We're adding new videos every week, so make sure to click that subscribe button and check out all of our amazing content. This segment of DoD TV is brought to you by AVNX Turkey Decoys. Feel the madness.